The Measuring Community's online portal enables you to view the house data in 3 different ways: table, graph, or map. The graph format is appropriate when you want to compare data from counties within a state, or if you want to view data from an indicator over time to identify trends. Enter the site through the Topics tab or search function. For example, if you're wanting info on compensation and pension for veterans, type in pension in the search bar. Once on the Topics tab, select your topic. Next, click on the graph directly or click View Data. The View Data section allows all the available data for the topic area, but not all the data is available in the graph format. If you choose to view data, select the Graph tab so you can see what data is available in the graph format. Next, I will refine the results by choosing the indicator, data field, desired state, and up to 10 counties and years. Click Refresh and your custom graph will generate. If you choose indicators that are not available in graph format, it will let you know. You can view the data in the graph or print the graph. If you'd like to get more data, you can select new indicators and data fields and refresh the data.